Good day, my wonderful learners. You are welcome to the Choosing One Tutorial Center. And I want to appreciate all our wonderful learners all through the whole world. Thank you for following us on this YouTube channel. I pray that God will bless you. Today's topic is perimeter of a parallelogram. This is the shape of a parallelogram, and I name each side with A and B. So the perimeter of a parallelogram is equals to 2 into brackets A plus B. So let's solve the following examples together. Number 1, find the perimeter of a parallelogram whose sides are 13.3 meter and 12.4 meter. So therefore, our A is equals to 13.3 meter, whereas our B is equals to 12.4 meter. So the perimeter of a parallelogram, don't forget, is equals to 2 into brackets A plus B. So we are going to have 2 into brackets 13.3 meter plus 12.4 meter. By the time you add 13.3 meter plus 12.4 meter, we are going to have 25.7 meter, and we are going to multiply. 2 times 7 here will give us 14, so we are going to keep 1. 2 times 5 will give us 10, plus 1 will be 11, we are going to keep 1. 2 times 2 will give us 4, then we are going to have 5. So 51.4 meter is our answer. Let's solve question 2. Given that the perimeter of a parallelogram is 30 centimeter, so here we are given the perimeter, which is P, to be 30 centimeter. Find the other side if one of its sides is 7 centimeter. So let's assume A is equals to 7 centimeter. We are looking for B. Don't forget that the perimeter of a parallelogram is equals to 2 into brackets A plus B. So we are going to have 2 into bracket 7 centimeter plus B. Don't forget that P here is 30. So we are going to have 30 centimeter to be equals to 2 times 7. We are going to open the bracket here. Open the bracket. So 2 times 7 will give us 14 centimeter plus 2 times B. That will give us 2B. Then 2B, therefore 2B is equals to 30 centimeter minus 14 centimeter. That means we collect like times. So 2B is equals to 16 centimeter, and our B, we are going to divide both sides by 2. So we are going to have B to be equals to 16 centimeter divided by 2, and that will give us 8 centimeter. Let's solve question 3. Find the perimeter of the shape below. This is a shape of a parallelogram. So our A is equals to 16 centimeter, and our B is equals to 11 centimeter. Don't forget that the perimeter of a parallelogram is equals to 2 into brackets A plus B. So P is equals to 2 into brackets 16 centimeter plus 11 centimeter. And P, which is the perimeter, is equals to 2 into brackets 16 plus 17, that will give us 27 centimeter. P is equals to 2 times 27 will give us 54 centimeter. Please, I want to encourage you to subscribe if you are yet to do that. Ensure that you like our video and share it with your loved ones. You can also drop a comment, and if you need a math tutor or probably science related subjects, you can contact me, and I'll be glad to respond. Thank you.
Ẹni tó wọ́n tẹ́gbẹ́ ní tó bànújẹ́, kó lọ́wọ́ tẹ́gbẹ́ dà kó lè dúpẹ́.